I put toothpaste in a burnt pan, and what happened next left me speechless. It sounds completely crazy, but once you see the result, you'll never spend money on expensive cleaning products again. This unexpected combination works better than anything I've ever bought in stores, and the transformation is so satisfying that you'll want to try it immediately. Let's start with the main ingredient, a 400 milliliters bottle of Coca-Cola. Pour it into a large container, but don't do anything yet. Here comes the surprise. Take a tablespoon of toothpaste. Any kind works, but I use a simple white one and squeeze it directly into the Coca-Cola. Now close the bottle tightly and shake it vigorously. This reaction is crucial and activates the hidden power behind this trick. Comment below which city you are watching from. Let's see where everyone is from. Carefully pour the mixture into a wide container. The combination may seem strange, but trust the process. You're creating something more effective than you think. Now add dish soap. Put 3 generous tablespoons into the mixture. I use one with a watermelon scent, but you can use whatever you have in your kitchen. Now it's time to give it a kick. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. This ingredient is important. It reacts with the acidity of the Coca-Cola and works as a gentle abrasive that helps remove stubborn grime without scratching surfaces. To achieve the perfect consistency, pour in 1 cup of water at room temperature. This not only balances the formula, but also helps distribute it evenly when applied. Mix everything one last time. And now your homemade solution is ready. Take a clean spray bottle and carefully transfer the mixture into it using a funnel. Comment yes if you want to try it at home. Close it well. Now you have a powerful homemade cleaning formula ready to tackle the toughest challenges in your kitchen. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Let's test it. Look at this pan. Burnt, greasy, and covered with stubborn stains. Many people would just throw it away. But not today. Spray the solution generously on the surface. Let it sit for a few seconds so the mixture starts to loosen the dirt. Now take a steel wool pad and scrub gently. You'll see the grime coming off almost instantly. Once most of it is removed, switch to a regular sponge to polish and smooth the surface. Rinse it thoroughly with water. The result? Impressive. The pan looks renewed, clean, and almost like new. Want even more shine? Spray again and let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. You'll be surprised by the sparkle. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments where you're watching from and which item you'd like to restore first. Like, share this tip with a friend, and follow for more brilliant home solutions. See you in the next video.